back in action. We're back in the action, boys, with another yummy mystery unboxing video. I really didn't want to say that, but Justin Bieber apparently has this new music video or album coming out tonight. It's called Yummy, and you know, if I say that, I put it in a thumbnail, and hopefully it works to my advantage when people search up the song later tonight. Sorry, you gotta do what you gotta do. It's gonna work? Probably not, but you know, we try. So anyway, man, getting into it, as you guys know, this is part of our series of buying cheap mystery boxes that a lot of you guys can probably afford. Shorter video, which I love, and I know a lot of you guys too, because our attention spans are whack nowadays. I swear to God. I watched my own longer video the other day, and I cut out halfway through. Couldn't do it, which is why the editing kind of got shoddy halfway through the thing. So that's what it is. So today's mystery unboxing we got today has to do with Justin Bieber, obviously. Now, if you guys are unaware, Justin Bieber has his new brand called House. If you guys are aware, you've probably seen it all over his Instagram, because all he posts is that and his hot ass wife. God damn, she's sexy. So anyway, you probably should know about it. If not, though, it's called House. Now, I've been kind of intrigued with this brand, man. As you guys know, I'm really into collectible things and stuff like that. As you guys know, I've got my own Supreme room, and I've got this weird inkling about his brand, which I actually kind of dig. And what I like about it is kind of the amount of hype that's behind it. I go on the Drew website when stuff drops and it sells out right away, which kind of reminds me of Supreme. However, this is such a new brand where I've kind of been thinking in maybe investing in some of the earlier pieces, because I know if they play it right with what they're doing, this could be big, and some of their pieces can have some major resell in the future. Off. Somebody literally commented on a video the other day saying, Bran, you don't have the decency to turn off your phone when filming? Well, there you go. I turned it off, dick. Anyway, I've been into this brand and the collectible aspect of it, and I think it might or might not pay off in the future stocking up on some of the items. So what I've been doing recently is shopping on eBay for a lot of stuff, and what I actually found through my searches is a mystery box of Drew items. Justin Bieber's Yummy clothing brand, gotta keep saying it, need it in the title. And I found a mystery box. Now this mystery box was $100, which I think is great for the series. I try to do cheaper mystery boxes so people can buy the same thing. However, I don't know if he still has them. If he does, I'll put a link. And you can pretty much, I guess what he said, get literally anything from House drops, and it's gonna be real. Guaranteed. Literally any items that I've found is selling for probably more than 100, so I'm quite certain that we're gonna get our money out of it if I want to sell it on eBay or whatever, unless he puts like the slides or something. I think they made like crappy slides that sell for nothing, and stickers. There's I didn't think about that. They also put out a sticker sheet, which also could be in this, but maybe not because it's a little heavier. Anyway, that's our topic. That's what we're doing. Enjoy. So once again, I will have links down below if he is still selling these. Damn, okay, I see yellow already. That's House colorway. Also, I do have to say one more thing. I don't like doing this for unboxings because it's not as legit maybe, but I did say, hey, I'm gonna be making a YouTube video on this. Send something really cool if you want. I wanna do that for a good video, so I'm hoping for the best. Oh my God. So $100, House. This is, okay, so this is the only thing we have. Okay, man. Sorry, I know it's quick videos, but I like these cheap unboxings. Let me know with a comment and thumbs up down below if you guys also dig them. God damn! Damn! So this is looking good. We have this. We have this. Is that the eBay card? No! We got the sticker too! I think that just fell out of this bag. So we got a House sticker. We have a House item, large. I'm generally an XL in jackets, but that's okay. This is crazy though, man. I'm just realizing now, this has to be more than $100 even on their website. Their stuff's, oh! Sorry, I was gonna say their stuff's kind of pricey. Yes! Yes! What I personally look for, if I'm gonna be searching up this stuff, I have a bunch of stuff coming in. Like I say, I'm trying to collect it. I'm looking for stuff with the actual House branding, with Supreme and stuff like that. That's what sells the most. A bunch of other clothing brands. It isn't as poppy out as it could be for what I would personally buy, but we have House right there. Kind of embroidered real big. Damn! I'm gonna search up how much this is worth if it has a tag of what one it is. We got a damn track jacket. I'm pretty sure that's what those are called. It's yellow. Ah! Sorry, I'm scared of the dark. There we go. It's yellow. Damn! Damn! I shouldn't be putting this on. I'm trying to resell it. It's got actually Drew right here too. Holy sh**. Larges never fit me. Oh, but their clothing brand does do extra big sizing because he wants that skater vibe or whatever. But House right here. This is looking damn promising. $100 mystery box. If he's not selling anymore, I actually forgot to check. If he's not, I'm going to see if he wants to put some up on eBay, and I'll give you guys the link down below. It'll probably take a little while for him to come back to me. I don't know. But I'll try to see if we can maybe do a video together or something like that in the future if he's got more stock like this. Small unboxing as always, but $100, I think I 100%, well I know 100% I made my money back. It's just depending on if somebody would want to buy something like this. I'm not going to sell it regardless right now. This is the type of piece I definitely sit on. But I'm going to check. Okay, Drew Velour Track Top Golden Yacht. Okay, so I'm going to search that up and see how much, if I can get the retail on it or get anyone who has been reselling it. And I'll tell you guys the price. Okay, so maybe I'm searching up the wrong thing, but I couldn't find it online. I would say this is probably online when they were selling it. I would say probably 150 bucks, just judging by what they sell their shirts for. Probably something pricey like that. You guys let me know what you think about it, or also if you know the price of it down below. I haven't checked eBay yet. I could check eBay to see if people are reselling these. Quick little mystery unboxing. I like these a lot. Hopefully you guys like them too. Not a lot to unbox, but they're just, I always find these videos really fun because I actually don't know what's gonna be in the box, and you guys don't either. So I'm a little bit more excited. They're a little bit more fun to put out, and I also enjoy watching them myself. But that's the jacket. Drew House Track Jacket, I think is what I called it. Is that what they called it? The Allure Track Jacket. Yeah. So appreciate y'all for watching. We're making the game the greatest of all time. I'm gonna have another video out tomorrow. I'm trying to bang out a bunch. But this one, coming on the day that it is right now when he's dropping his album, or whatever it is, a song Baby, I thought it was maybe meant to be that I should put this out and hopefully gain some views off it. Going back in my arsenal, and I'm going to pull this out in a year or two, and hopefully that brand's still a thing, so I can possibly sell it for more money. We're always making money, boys. That's the goal in life. Screw family, screw friends, screw girlfriends. Money. That's it. Focus on that, not even your life. Money comes with happiness. That's it. Peace. Or happiness comes with money. Something like that. Peace.